What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can create Solana meme coin. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. You just need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, you need to visit the Solana token creator, which is this website. You can actually search for Solana token creator and you'll be able to get access to this website. Once you do that, you just have to enter your token name. Now, you just have to, go to the tool, sign up, and then connect your wallet to access the tool. Once you do that, you have to enter your token's name, specify the abbreviation of your token. No, so abbreviation means you like symbol or like so for Bitcoin it is BTC. Just have to specify that. Now, and you have to enter the name as well. Now you choose the number of decimal for your token. Normally there are six. You can choose to you. Now set the total supply. Upload your token's image, which should be in PNG format. Provide a description of your token, and there you go. Your token will be ready to use. You will be able to link your social, including your website, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord as well. It totally depends upon you. That's pretty much it. That's all we will to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.